Actually, naisip ko kasi si Steph Curry kasi, totoo, magaling siya. Pero, di niya kaya yung range ko eh. Damn! Kaya ba niya tumira ng consistent na half-court shot?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Na ganong kalayo na lagi niyang gagawin sa game?
And how about Curry from the other side from 70 plus feet, ending the third.
In-game kasi pinag-uusapan natin dito eh.
Another one.
Won't go, and that's the end of the first quarter. That went in, but it won't count.
Hindi yung parang kasi binabantayan ako pero nakatira pa rin ako na malalayo, which is half-court shot.
Meanwhile,
Diba?
another one.
Sa akin, feel ko, si Steph Curry hindi niya kayang gawin yun eh.
Stop it. Get some help.
So 2 seconds. And Steph from 75. And he got it.
Ba't di niya gawin sa totoong laro kung talagang malakas ang loob niya? Di ba?